can take two router. I can go here, I can take two router. This one I will connect here, and we will connect this here, and this one I can say this is a R1, and this one I can say this is a R2. Here I will write this IP I want to configure to this interface. So how we can do? Now I am doing directly in the router itself. Now you familiar how to do from long time, so no need to write in the notepad. Directly I can do. So just write enable config T, then change the name of the router, host name R1, and then IPv6 unicast routing. You need to write this one, and then go under the interface F0/0, and you will write here IPv6 address, and you need to put this 100 whatever you have like this, and press enter and write here IPv6 enable. Okay, and no shut. So this way we will assign the IP. Let me go here. Here I will write no, then enable config T, host name, what we have here R2, and IPv6 unicast routing, interface F0/0, and then I will write IPv6 here you can put question mark also if you want to check what you can write here. You can obtain auto config, so we can write auto config here, and then IPv6 enable no shut. Okay, like that I can do. And if you want to check, you can write show IPv6 interface brief like this. So when you write here show IPv6 interface brief, this one you can see you get this one automatically from here, because you have here this site 1000 this, so they get automatically from this site.